To enable and use double tap to turn on screen gesture on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap motion and gesture. And then tap the gray on offset next to double tap to turn on screen until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To use this feature, turn off the screen. Now, with the double tap to turn on screen gesture is on, you can easily turn on the screen by double tapping it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.